Hey, this is Uberdoodle, bringing you this quick tutorial on how to install Minecraft Forge. We can install your mods and such for your game. To get Forge, you go to the Forge website. I'm just going to type in Forge, you should know. Minecraft Forge, there we go. Download the latest one. Wait for the countdown. Go ahead and skip. Should download right away. Open it up. I'm going to uninstall or uncheck Mercurius. We don't need it on our computer. Once you click OK, it'll tell you if it's successful. Click OK again, and I'm going to go ahead and open Minecraft to make sure it installed properly. Looks like it automatically pulled up Forge. I recommend going to your advanced settings as well since you're here, and under JVM arguments, I would change this XMX to XMX 4G instead of 1G. It'll allow you to use more RAM on your computer to play Minecraft or better stability later on. So I'm going to go ahead and X out of that, and if Forge isn't listed there, you'd go to Add New, and the row of version, it's not going to be at the top, it'll be at the bottom. Click on that, and you're ready to go. After that, you'll be ready to use Forge, so you can go ahead and click on this arrow and make sure you select Forge. Otherwise, it'll load up with the default vanilla Minecraft. Give it some time to load. And you'll notice it'll say 4 gigs of RAM here. It's great in the end. You'll never have to worry about using too much memory with 1 gig. So I'm going to go ahead and check mods. Forge mod loader opened. Awesome. So next I'm going to download Journeymap. I had it opened already. I like it as a quality of life improvement because you get a little mini map after you're done. Once you go to the website, you click on overview, go back to files, and it'll be the first one that's available. You want to make sure that the mod that you're downloading is the same version. So in this case, 1.12.2, it needs to match with whatever version of Minecraft you're running. So I got that, and I'm also going to download Optifine. You can get a lot of FPS improvements by using that as well. You can tweak a lot of the stuff that you couldn't on with normal vanilla Minecraft. So I'm going to click download, and I'm going to keep those files. And okay, that's cool. We're going to open up our mods folder. When you install Forge, it should create a mods folder for you automatically. But let's check. So I'm going to go ahead and go percentage app data. Percentage opens up your roaming folder for all your applications that you use. And in our case, we're using Minecraft and mods. If mods isn't there, create a new folder. Right click, new folder, and mods, boom. Drag your mods. In this case, I have these right here already. I'll just drag them over like that. Boom, you're done. Open up Minecraft again. You should have the Forge selected already, like we did before. Play. Give it its time to load up. If it doesn't load for some reason, you're going to want to check out in your main folder, and you're going to look through and look at your resource packs. If you have an older version of it, it may not be compatible, just as a tip. Should it ever crash, but I'll probably edit this out. Okay, loaded. We're going to go to our mods folder, and just to check if it was installed, and yeah, we got Journeymap, so the installer is working, Forge is working. I'm going to load it up, show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, you get a little mini map in the top right. You can press J to open up the interface of it. It'll map it all out. Nice to remember. You can create little notes and stuff. And that's pretty much it. When you have Optifine installed, you get all these other options. You can edit it to your taste. Performance, details, shaders, those are all big deals. You can improve your quality, decrease it to increase your frame rate. Alright, anyway, next, I'll F4 out of that. I'm going to show you how to open up your Minecraft, the app data folder, a little more quickly. Traditionally, you just go here and you type in the app data like you did before. If you're motivated enough, you can do it differently. I prefer click and go. If you're going to be working with mods frequently, it's nice to have some sort of shortcut to get there. So I have this batch script. All I have to do is double click it and it'll open up another folder for you right away. The .minecraft roaming folder. All you need to do is go to your notepad, take this little script, this little command, save it. We'll just say app data folder, app data Minecraft. Save as a .bat for batch. Save it, open it up, and it'll take you right there. You can change that command to your liking. You don't have to have it with .minecraft. You can take out that portion, the .minecraft, and you can just take it here like normal. But for our purpose, I like the \.minecraft. Maybe let's make mods. That's the purpose of this video. And voila, you're already there. All the links will be included below. Let me know if you guys need any more in-depth information on this, and I'll try to put something together. Help you out. Take care.